Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Jobs with Subham. So today I'm going to provide a very good opportunity. So those who are looking for software engineer job as a entry level, you can apply for the job. This is a very good opportunity. And अभी तक मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं तो सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए ऐसे ही डेली जॉब नोटिफिकेशन अपडेट के लिए. So let's go and start the video. So this is the page of Shortly and it's a hiring for software engineer or one for front end for Hyderabad location. So let's talking about this what you are looking for. So we are a front end we are seeking a front end engineer with a passion of customer centric experience to join the fast pace distributor team of the engineer. So what you'll do, write clear readable and testable code, work with the UX and PM team of the irritate and deliver in the front end experience balancing functionality, performance and usability. Do code review, participate in architecture discussion, evaluate from adopt technology and improve developer productivity, code and simplicity and new functional. So what should you have? So 0 to 2 year of experience of React, Angular, Vue and similar modern of framework, experience of TypeScript is plus, experience in working with APIs relevant middleware and access them, and all these things you have to know, and a strong code review, test coverage, security, postman testing. How to apply for the job? So you have to just click here apply now and the application page will open, so you can go and check about this. Moving to the next job is coming from GE Healthcare and it's a hiring for software engineer for Bangalore location. So let's talking about this job description. So as a full stack developer for Imagine platform team, you'll be responsible for designing, building, delivering and maintaining a next generation platform solution and GE Healthcare product. Extensive hands-on development of Kubernetes decoder and Linux, Python and all these things you have to know. And let's talking about this job description, roles and responsibilities. So collaborate with the software developer and Imagine team with implement a solution that are aligned and the extend a shared platform solution. Apply agile principle of software development lifecycle methodology, software and product security, scalable document practice and technique. Write code that meets a standard of deliver desired functionality using the technology. Select the project and all these things you have to know. And those who have done a bachelor degree of computer science or science, technology, engineering or math of basic experience can apply. And development experience of web UI technology, HTML5, JavaScript, CSS, XML, JSON, HTTPS and all these things you have to know. And REST based Microsoft using Go, Python, Java, under 2 and C++, and all these things you have to know. And how to apply for the job, so you have to just click here apply now and the application page will open, so you can go and check about this. Moving to the next job is coming from Emphora Software Private Limited and they are hiring for software engineer developer for Hyderabad location. So let's talking about this company. So Emphora Software Private Limited is premier software solution provide energy of trading, logistic and risk management of global crude oil, refined products and in energy detective and marketplace. So let's talking about this the salary up to 10 LPA and it's office job. So let's talking about this, those who have done a BE BTech can apply, CSIT can also only apply, and those who have a passing year of 2021 or 20 can apply for the job. 80% percentage allow for and above can apply, and programming skills, communication skill, analytical ability can apply. And let's talking about this technical requirements. So proven knowledge of core Java and int should have film gaps, oops and basics of data structure, algorithm and design pattern, and good knowledge of Eclipse idea and mandatory, and have a proficiency of writing SQL queries, and all these things you have to know. And how to apply, so the first step will be how to apply for the job. So the first step will be registration, assessment, technical interview and managerial interview and HR interview, and last one is from onboarding. So how to apply for the job, so you have to just click here I am registered now. So the application page will open, so you can go and check about this. Then try next job AI and it's a hiring for seeking a React Node.js web UI developer intern, and let's talking, and it's hiring for Pune location. So let's talking about this job description. So we are looking for hire incredible React developer interested in the working with the US startup, and if you are truly passionate about designing UI using React, you are looking for a job where you can work in the anywhere. So let's talking about this requirement. So pre-final year student of computer science related quantitative field can apply. Proficiency of React, TypeScript, and JS, CSS, HTML, knowledge of SQL, Unix, and relational database, knowledge of decoder and Git, and a strong integral and design and problem solving, troubleshooting, debugging skill, and all these things you have to know. And those who have under the general direction of team member, write TypeScript, HTML, CSS, and web UI platform with the strong focus, scalability, and all these things you have to know. And participate in the design of code review, and all these things you have to know. And how to apply for the job. So you have to just click here, I am interested, and application page will open, so you can go and check about this. So in this video we have talked about 4 different job role, what is the job role and how to apply for the job. And if you are looking for this job role, so you can apply for the job. This is a very good opportunity. And अभी तक मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं तो सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए ऐसे ही डेली जॉब नोटिफिकेशन अपडेट के लिए. सो लेट्स गो, एंड इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चन देन आस्क मी इन द कमेंट सेक्शन, आई विल हेल्प यू. सो थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग. टिल देन, गुड बाय.